Hariom everyone. By this workshop, we were really enjoying in this workshop, creativity workshop, which means showing our creativity out. And I really thank Ravi sir and our counselor ma'am for giving us such a wonderful opportunity where we can express ourselves in front of everyone. Many of the people have stage fear and will not be able to express their ideas. But today we were able to discover many inner talents in us, and we were able to show it to everyone, which gave us confidence, which made us build a confidence level in us. I thank every one of them who gave us this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Go there. Okay.
Or we can directly follow lion's back that he can't know. Like, that's why he can swing and free himself from the rope and run away.
Okay. Any other ideas? This looks. I'm going to teach you.
By hanging feet.
Okay.
If candle is there, the lion will not come. No, sir.
Okay.
Then he can swipe upwards towards upwards and he can get fixed to the branch.
If candle is there, the lion will not come. No, sir.
Okay.
Then he can swipe upwards towards upwards and he can get fixed to the branch.
सेक्शन पे आंसर अच्छा सी सेक्शन पे चला
Only one product.
So today this was really fun, and we had a great time with sir, and all those presentations were really funny and useful. After many days we have got such stress-busting event in our school. Mostly next would be annual day, but still we participated really open in this. No one was shy. Everyone did our best. Even those who were shy, they were really active today. So seeing this change in our school is really happy to see, and many of us got the opportunity to open ourselves and these costumes. So everyone is so comfortable.
On account of all of us, I would like to thank you so much only because of you, we all came to know our talents. We really didn't do any such thing before, like making dresses with newspapers, or you showed some pictures. We all had a very good fun today. We got relief from our daily life. I would say that we were busy in our exams, results, going through a lot of stress, but because of you, today we came to know what we are, what we can make. So thank you so much, sir.
Hello everyone. So did you all enjoy this event? So just I can't hear your voice. Did you all enjoy? Yes. So we are really thankful to you, sir. As you can see all the responses. So we got to know, by this event we got to know that our hidden talents, whatever we have, we didn't know that we have this much of talent. Each and every person is very unique. So through this, we got to know our talents, sir. Thank you so much. So remember that everyone are unique, and we promise that we'll fulfill everything. And 30th December also, sir. Thank you so much.